Hi all, and welcome to our first video. Today you join me in our first car on the channel. This is our Renault Clio 1.2 that we bought off Copart, and today we're going to be tackling the heater control issue. So here you go, the ignition on. As you can see, it works on first, second, third, but not on fourth. So the way we're going to be doing this is with this heater repair kit, which is from Craig Ovington. I'll link him in the description. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need to remove is this flap on the end of the dash. This just pops out, and there is a screw back there which you can't see because it's too dark, and that needs to be removed. Okay, so once that flap is removed, you'll see this screw here, which is what we need to remove. Okay, and with that screw removed, you now just need to remove this plastic trim along here, which does just pop out with a bit of force. And you'll see that there are more screws that need to be removed along here. Okay, so with those three screws now removed, we now got inside the glove box, and there is one more screw up here. And with that final bolt removed, it should now just come out. Okay, so now we've got the glove box out, you can now see that this is the heater wire up here. This should just unplug. With it unplugged, you can now see why number 4 wasn't working. You can see some burn marks on the end there. Plugged in, and these are now ready to be connected up to the old one. And the way that I usually do it is to just cut one wire at a time and match it up with the wire up here. This way you don't get confused and you always know where each wire goes. Okay, so as you can see, it's all being connected up. It hasn't been shrunk wrapped yet, which I'll do in just a second. But first, you just need to make sure that it all works. So ignition on, 1, 2, 3, and 4. There you go. It now all works. And taking a look at the plug again, you can see the burn mark, and it's quite common on the Clios. So if any of your fans aren't working, the chances are this is what's causing it. And there you go, with it all put back together nicely. The heater's working on all 4 speeds. It's now time to just close up, and that'll be the end of the video. So thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe. There'll be lots more car content in the future with everything from more tutorials and fixings like this one, and car meets, cruises, all that sort of stuff with our personal cars, more Copart cars, all stuff like that. So yeah, make sure to subscribe. It's going to be quite an interesting channel eventually. So yeah, ta-da.